This is a real video of the sun, where the sun's 6,000 degrees Celsius blazing surface is clearly visible. And what's even crazier is, this surface is so insanely hot that from 150 million kilometers away, it can push Earth's temperature to 50 degrees Celsius. But the reason the sun is this hot is because it's not just anything. It's a gigantic ball of fire that's around 1.5 million kilometers wide, meaning it's about 109 times wider than Earth. But do you know what's even more terrifyingly fascinating than this? The sound of the sun itself, which literally became an inspiration for the dinosaur sounds in movies like Jurassic Park. And this sound is so unbelievably creepy that after hearing it, you might completely forget the terrifying roars of those dinosaurs. So, are you ready to hear the sound? 3, 2, 1.